wanted something infinite, but I didn't realize I had it right here. A love so big it moved us across time and space to find each other. Is that what you couldn't figure out how to say, Dad? Is that what you wanted me to understand?
No, that's stupid. Even if it was what I felt, how dare you say it out loud? Don't touch me. Get away from me.
Let's say we pop open that third eye and do a little astral projecting together.
I'm haunting my own house.
Hey everyone. Everyone, Merry Christmas.
What's the point then? This sucks.
I'll show you something that doesn't suck.
Whoa, Chimdale. Now this I could get.
It just leaves.
Well, even this for sure.
I was just trying to make it easier. Trying to start doing while you was in there doing that. I am only eating it from the back. Block you. You just so nasty and get the fuck off my page. When are you done? Hey, I'll be done whenever I am finished being done with my kids' Christmas. I'm putting AJ 18 with her together now. And then I gotta put another toy together.
Bro, you the only one working now?
Damn!
Cause you the only one working.
No.
I'm trying to figure out, you just move shit and I'm trying to
I was holding it. Jesus love you. I want you to be blocked and removed. Why you keep popping back up? You just so fucking nasty. Get the fuck off of here. Are y'all blue presents for your kids? I'm putting presents together like the ones that I don't wrap, that I want to be charged up. He riding to us. Merry Christmas, enjoy and be safe. Thank you. You too. Merry Christmas to you too. Why these fucking nasty people gotta get on live for? Like, come on. Why you gotta get on my live? And say nasty shit like that. Huh?
Yo, YouTube live or TikTok?
TikTok?
Yeah,
Why?
Yeah, man.
How was your day? Good. I know your kids are excited. Yes, they are. You are so pretty and Merry Christmas. Thank you.
It says they recently converted their infirmary to a teen hang zone. Oh, hell yeah! I dominate international waters. I got the skimpiest little teal bathing suit.
When are they going to open them? In the morning. Hey girl, jump on and tell you Merry Christmas. Oh, hey Ashley. Girl, you wrap all your kids' gifts and stuff. You ready for Christmas in the morning?
Too much shoes.
This one here. All these are full.
Four holes. 3 screws.
All these got holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's the book, babe. Just got finished. Girl, I still got 2 more presents to put together. Thank you for the crown. I love it. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Oh, I love the crown. Yes, it's 1 a.m. And I'm not even finished. I got a dollhouse to put together and a pony. I am still rapping. Girl, get that rapping going. Merry Christmas. What time is it in the morning? 1 o'clock. It's 1-something. 1:17. Merry Christmas. How can they not hear you put out? How can they not hear you put out that? Yeah, get off. What time is you going to let them open? Thank you for the reindeers. What time are you there? Whenever my kids wake up in the morning. Merry Christmas. Thank you for the gifts, y'all. I appreciate it.
This is screwed. You gotta be on the floor, huh? You had your little strangle, your little tangle on a few years ago.
I ain't seen no fall because this ain't even fall. It's just lean. I pick it up.
Oh boy, what's this? Trailer hitch. Where is that at? Oh, shit. Three screws. 3 screws left?
Yeah.
3 screws in here.
I'm going to bed because you know this kid's going to be up early in the morning. You know it. They're going to. What is that? What is that? It's an 18-wheeler. Merry Christmas for girl. Tokyo. I got somebody from all over. They're going to be happy with all them presents. Yes, they are, girl. Merry Christmas to you. I'm going to be home here soon. I need some help for my son. Tokyo, Alabama. Oh, okay. I thought. They don't be putting the whole thing. They just be putting initials. Hey.
Yeah.
Girl, I've been so sick, y'all. And I'm still sick. Y'all can tell my face. Look at my face. Y'all can tell I've been sick. I'm from Tennessee. Merry Christmas. Yes, that's my husband.
Damn it.
So did I still lost a screw or do I need to be looking for a screw?
I don't know, it's a black piece right here I'm missing. That is.
What black piece? I told you the box was damaged, baby. They gave it to me.
It's a piece that goes onto this. It's a black piece that goes onto the bottom of this. That's what it look like. Or does it just look like that?
I don't see. I don't know. Let's see.
Ain't nothing for them. Ain't nothing for them to screw out. Supposed to latch in like that.
Yeah, like that.
Oh, we going there. I'm stupid.
No, you're not, baby. It's our first time putting something
Right
together
now.
like that. How are your kids seeing all them presents? Nope, my kids are not seeing all their presents. Did they ever get asked for? Yes, my kids get everything they ask for. I try my best to get it for them. How?
Right here.
And then like that.
Damn it.
I get free, but they're good. I know what you mean. Me too. Yep, I try my best to give them everything, or if I can't find what they really want, I try to find the next thing to what they want.
Next to the best.
They're kind of happy with that.
I'll try to get stuff this year. Everybody trying to get everything this year. Just like.
But AJ, I felt like I did more for him because he's my son and he's the last one, and I want him to have everything because he's my only boy and I got a shop for. And I'm so happy to shop for him. Like, I got to shop again for February for him because his birthday. Like, so I'm not done with him. Like, it's another thing I want him to have, and I can't wait until I get it for him for his birthday. Like, I know I'm spoiling him, but he's my last baby and he's my son. And I want him to have everything.
There you go. The screw was upside down.
Yeah, I'm okay. I love you. Thank you so much. Yes, I am sick. I've been trying to get better. You're beautiful. Thank you. You should be a role model, my baby. Now we gotta do the wheels. Then I think we're done with his. I can put his on the charger. Hope you get better well soon, babe. I will. I just been trying to get better. I've been resting, but it's kind of hard to rest when around the holidays and you got things to do. So after Christmas, I can actually rest because my kids have things to do, so they'll leave me alone for a while. It's just weather going back and forth. Do not ask for the age of the. Do not know that what they say. Do not ask for the age. That is rude. I do not know that. That's not what they say. Well, it ain't rude. I'm 34 years old and my kids are age 13, 10. Four and two.
Twos. Like the game. Just give me the twos so I can get the game. Two low there. You know why you looking?
Oh.
Why you looking all the way up when it's all the way up? All the way up. Okay. This one ain't got no things on it. Gotta take it off. First.
I don't pay attention to the people who put bad comments. I just keep going and keep moving. I don't got time to pay attention to the haters. And then when I go back, I try to block them, but
I'm just in raising right.
I hope you feel better. Me too. Thank you. Whatever. Let them people get to you. I don't let no one get to me. The haters don't got nothing to do. They show down, girl. Get all them popper and for all them rappers. My mama's raised 4 of us and she was low income. We turned out great people. Yep, great people. You are beautiful. I hope you feel better soon. Me too. Thank you, girl. You are beautiful. Thank you. Okay, what we gotta do? What's still for?
What?
That right there.
Them tires. The wheel. Okay.
Oh, I was just wondering. Great people. You are pretty. Thank you. Please keep double tapping the screen and show me some love. Do not get bullied with reading. I'm fine. NJ also. Okay. People just trying to make me mad, but I'm not letting them. There ain't no black piece going on.
Yeah, baby.
I was looking at yours like you didn't give me one.
Just a bunch of idiotas. They gonna lock it to me or something like that.
Yeah, but I can't screw over here.
You can. You just,
Oh.
there you go. Screwed up.
Go. Okay. Okay, you ready to find me?
There's a bunch of clowns out tonight. So, yeah. Tell them had their makeup on real good. That's all.
No, I can't hold it. You twisting my head with the damn thing.
That's all you have. That's it. Yeah. Well, there's a murder she wrote on that one. Senorita. Gracias.
Oh, she is pretty now, but do not come and tell her what somebody else said about her, please. That's right, girl. Tell him who's me. Hello, praise is to call. You are extra for Christmas. Yep, I do extra for Christmas. Nah, not you, love. Okay, what's your about anyway? I like what I said. It's all fun till you run out of bed. See, look, y'all.
Oh yeah. Dang.
You gotta make sure it work, baby.
Yeah, it worked. Yeah.
Y'all said you gonna have fun with it.
Oh yeah, I see you, Rita.
And I ain't need full charge. That was just a 10-minute charge.
Yeah, I don't know kick on that, boy. You know, got a kick in the boy. Hey, boy. Kick in your rump.
Hold on, y'all gotta put this on the charger.
You got here with the juicy pack on.
That's the one put crazy
Juice
like
pack
I'm telling you about.
on. Juice pack it up. Oh yeah. And you put the juice packs on it. Now that's what you be talking about the ceiling, because you be showing it like that. Oh, okay, I see now. She's around the world in the ceiling. Let's see what they talk about that shit now. You should do that. In case you do in the toilet, and then once you hold it, when you got the people on hold, just put it facing the dude in the toilet where they can watch it. And then just be like, see what type of comments you get.
They talk about my floors, they talk about my ceiling.
Oh man, like you had a
That's the only thing I put on the charge. Fire. Huh? I ain't selling the cookies. It's 1:33 here. Hey. Merry Christmas. It's 1:33 here. Merry Christmas, beautiful family. Thank you. Merry Christmas to y'all. Hold on, y'all. 1 second. Oh, we gotta do the steering wheel. I couldn't get the bolt on there. It's really small. It's so small, that's why I couldn't get on there. It can't get lost inside my nail.
Wow. You say you put some massage in it? I'll put that bag up here. One, yeah.
That's the only thing for
Putting no
it.
real latch on if you put it in. Kind of real. Real.
I got a pillow and put in there. Tell your son I wish him a happy birthday, love. Merry Christmas. What's your kid's age? 13, 10, 4, and 2. Hold on, I got one. I'll be right back, guys.
Show the underlay.
You wanted interesting characters? How about that? NASCAR headline. Jenna Diarrhea Evans, heiress to the diarrhea fortune. Gord Kelmax, Michael Jackson apologist. Lieutenant Wings, enormous mosquito.
Wow. I can't believe Mama was trying to go through life first.
The H. I'm gonna put it on the truck too. Big bro.
I gotta open that one. Look what I gotta open now, y'all. Look. This is for Karina. And then we still got this to put together.
Oh yeah.
Your turn. There's a spot up here on the bed.
Sunny side up. Yeah. Sunny side down here. Down. Oh no, this ain't it.
This is it.
Oh yeah.
She's gonna love this one.
She'll be like, I don't want that, mama. That's crap. I'll be like, yep, I told you. whole box in total.
It
3
do.
days. Damn, you can stack something else on top of it. Something else can go on top of it.
I know.
Yes. Another horse. I'm glad we ain't gotta put that together. Sheesh.
I need to figure out how to.
Oh, yeah. Look at the paper.
You put it on. Yeah. Yeah. So I gotta get to the battery.
You sure positive? Alright.
I wanna make sure shit's charged up for them.
Yeah.
You better stop. Look. And then you gotta cut this right here.
You gotta let the pony out. Do.
That was wrong.
I think that was holding the whole box.
Oh, shit.
Blah. Oh yeah, it's scrapped. It's scrapped like jam. I'm gonna go from the bottom, man. On the bottom. Nice.
The what?
You can see it from the bottom.
Yeah.
See? Doing stuff so
What am I trying to do?
yeah, just rip his face off. How about that? See what's happening there. Oh yeah, just rip the corners. Just oh god. You know what? Rough with the nigga will be. They gonna be doing the same thing. That you doing right here. Ooh.
So where's the charger?
Ain't no charge, it just ran out of just solar power.
For real?
Yeah, get all the way in the rump. Yeah, get in the rump part. And then there's that charge in there.
Alright.
Oh yeah. Get in there. We'll find something eventually. Oh boy. Get that back up.
See, can you get it out? I can't get it.
Oh yeah. Deep in the rump area. Jeez.
Is this where you gotta charge it too? No, charge it there. Okay.
There you go. Class 2.
Okay, now.
There's this guy. Got 10 little belts on it. They got 2 little examples on it. I guess when you buy to wash this thing.
Yeah, it said wash, but
I bet.
I ain't gonna do that often. Okay. Put the charger. We'll put it back inside. And then we'll run the charger. That's What? Ain't nowhere to plug it over there.
Stuff like that. Unplug some. I can't unplug that. Yeah, unplug something. I didn't unplug it previously. A lot of stuff there right now.
Bring me a Dr. Pepper. Hold on, y'all. I'm coming back. Okay. Anyone know what they are putting together? I will show y'all. I will just put this together. And we just did that. I ain't facing it. I just put that together. And then we put that together. Hey sis, how you doing? Tell us your son. So, and now I got to put this together. So, hold on, y'all. That truck's cool. I know. I can't wait till he wake up and we go outside and ride it. Y'all, he's not gonna let me come in. I love your nails. Thank you. I'm so sick. The only thing that feels good is cold stuff on my face, y'all. I've been walking around with a cold rag on my face for the last 2 days. Tennessee. Look at what my kids made, y'all. Okay, y'all, hold on. I gotta get a spot outside. Hold on 1 second. I told you we're not gonna have no room in this house. I told you we're gonna need a big ass house.
Getting big claustrophobic in here. Big boy claustrophobic.
For real.
Yeah.
It'll be better when I can put the toys outside. Cause I'm about to find somewhere to put that toy so it won't get damaged. Cause it's, yeah. Last one, baby. Merry Christmas to you and your family. You too. Oh, look. Karina be begging for one forever. And I got it on Black Friday. This supposed to be $149. I paid $80. Make sure you keep the battery power wheel inside. Yes, I will. I have to find a place to put them inside. I will go to bed if I get too cold. Ouch. Oh my God. Girl, I've been laying in bed. I had a cold. I've been laying in bed, and it's been hard because it's been holidays, so I've been having things to do, so I've been having to suck it up and do it. Oh my God, 4. But look, I can't wait. I want to go wake them up and tell them, come on, join us. Should I do that? Nah. Pee, 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 pee. What is that? Merry Christmas, Queen. Make you and your family have a great day. Thank you. Now look. What are you not doing? Why you keep waking up for? What's wrong with you? Your nose. Go to sleep, baby. My 2-year-old woke up and said that Santa came. She said, where is he going? Are you cooking Christmas dinner? I already did.
Oh, yeah.
I cooked Christmas dinner on Christmas Eve. So now, if y'all want to see them open their Christmas gift, y'all have to go to my YouTube channel because I'm going live when they open their gifts. And I will come on here 30 minutes before we start and let everybody know we're finna go live on YouTube. I hope I feel better too. Girl, you got a fever. No fever. Have your man put together rest of them. Rest. So sound sick. Take care. He's put them together. What time do y'all get up? It just depends on. Normal, my kids probably up around 8 or 9. What is wrong with you? Just sinus. I'm all stop up. That's it. Just stop up. Sound good. It's just my I've been sick about a week. Hold on. Go to sleep. What's right? No bleeding? Yeah, I need to get a bit of sleep. I know y'all trying to be sneaky. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Let's use see them gifts. It's when my throat get dry, I start coughing. So I gotta constantly be drinking. I be wanting orange juice. I'm finna gonna give me some orange juice. As long as I keep my throat not from being dry. I'm okay. Why are the gifts in your room? Because that's my living room. See? That's my bed. That's my gift. Now I gotta clean up. I don't have a bedroom. My bedroom is the living room. We do not have a living room in our house. We have a bedroom in our house. So I made a 2-bedroom house into a 3-bedroom so everybody could have their space. I know you weren't hating. I was just telling you. Because I have 2 teenager girls and then I have 2 small babies and they don't want to share a room with their babies. So Merry Christmas. It was just day Ashley. I'll talk to them. My daughter said that's beautiful. Thank you so much. It's when I get hot too. It's hot in here. It is feeling so good outside. Like right now, I would, if I could. That's it. Hey, go lay down. Come on.
Oh, man.
Start waking up. Get there, lay down. I'll bring some milk. They're in there talking. They think they've been sneaky, so they don't get shit tomorrow. No.
They trying to get up now, like.
Oh, y'all finna get up now. Go and see what's up.
What?
That's still patrol all night. If you do get up in time, now you come on.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. She's moving. She's waking up. I just got that playhouse put together, and then I am done. I just got to clean up my room. So, I'm finna get off here. Thank you for everybody who came on here and joined my live with me. And I appreciate it. But if you want to watch them open it, go to my YouTube. We'll be live tomorrow on YouTube. So, I hope everybody have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, he said. Bye.